As pilot real estate investors, we have tremendous advantages that most other professionals don't have access to. Advantages that can multiply out our profits if we only understand how to take advantage of them. In my last video, I showed you how airline pilots have a huge tax advantage over most other occupations, severely reducing our airline income federal tax liability. But there's even more. Here's another advantage of airline pilots that's especially important now in 2020. With all the changes occurring in 2020, real estate investors are scrambling to find the new, hottest markets. As cities like New York, Los Angeles, all of California are being vacated, to be profitable in real estate, you have to be ahead of the curve and identify these new hot markets quickly before the prices catch up. Just a few months ago, a good friend of mine, another real estate investor, was spending thousands of dollars and hours of his own time researching where potential tenants are moving to. I knew the answer already. Why? Because my airline already spent thousands of dollars on this research and gave it to me for free. Every time you get an email from your airline stating, "We're just opening up a new destination," that's the result of their marketing department spending tens of thousands of dollars poring over demographics and research. As airline pilots, we hear about these hot new markets all the time, while other investors are completely oblivious. So when your airline announces a new destination, think real hard. Why are we opening up that new destination? It's because people are moving there, and leisure travelers want flights to and from this new hot market. This holds true especially for smaller airlines that target leisure travelers. And I know what you're thinking. It's 2020, not many airlines are adding destinations, but they are subtracting the frequency of flights to destinations that are dying and maintaining or increasing the frequency of flights to those new hot markets. We all know the airline industry is super competitive. Each wants to be the first in the market, just like real estate investors. So follow their lead. For example, a few months back, my airline opened a new destination, Raleigh, North Carolina, RDU. Now, if you look online, Raleigh has been booming, both in population and in business growth. Okay, so what's the best way of taking advantage of this? Let's say your airline really isn't growing that much. By networking with other pilot investors and hearing about their airline expansion plans. And a great place to network with other pilots, share real estate strategies, and more importantly, hear the growth plans of other airlines is through the Financial Simulator, an online game and social event where you can meet and network with other pilot investors while playing the Cashflow 101 board game, a fun financial education tool. And you can join the Financial Simulator for free by going to my website, layovermoney.com/simulator, and sign up for any of our Thursday night meetings at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. And once you've determined your new hot market, don't forget to take advantage of the CARES Act before it ends at the end of this year, where you can access $100,000 of your own capital for real estate now. If you'd like more information on how to capitalize on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, visit my website, layovermoney.com/CARES Act, and unlock your investor capital now. And once you're in your new hot market and you've found that property you think is going to be a great deal, don't get burned. Know how to calculate the numbers now. Get my good deal, bad deal formula and video, and within 10 minutes, you'll be able to accurately estimate the profitability of any real estate investment and avoid costly mistakes. You can get my formula and video at my website, layovermoney.com/formula. And follow my weekly videos like this, where I provide tips that give pilots the cutting edge on creating passive income so you can live the lifestyle you want now.